butterfly needle assembly machine. We are now making the test running for one buyer from Chinese market. This will be the beginning of the butterfly needle. We have two butterfly, two butterfly needle stations. For this process, it has been tested yesterday, so now they're not doing at this moment. Now this operating panel is in Chinese. When we send to overseas customers, it can be changed into English. This is the needle loading station. For the glue. There will be one drying oven. It is in the first floor. We are now at the third floor. It's the largest carry upstairs. So after applying the glue, they will be sent to the drying oven. This is the CCD checking station, and this is for the burst. If the needle has burst, or if the needle cannula is reversed. If there's something wrong with the needle cannula, it will be reflected on this computer screen. You can see it, and it will be auto-rejected in later station. This is for the silicone oil. After the CCD checking for needle cannula with burst, reverse needle without needle cannula, or two needle cannula on one butterfly wing, it will be remembered by the system and be auto-rejected there. Qualified products will be sent to here for load the caps. Products will be sent on here. We also have the function alarm. If you want to put a number of some products, it will alarm to remember you that the number is okay now. It's already finished and will be packed tomorrow, so the test running is almost done. I cannot take more to see how it runs. For this other products, also for the blood collection pen type and needle, and there for the step needle, hypodermic needle, etc.